Welcome back to In Goa News. The Save Goa Action Committee held a peaceful protest against the alleged construction of three bungalows in the heritage zone near Our Lady of Mount Chapel at Munti Hill, Old Goa. Responding to the issue, Health Minister Vishwajit Rane said no permission has been granted for construction on protected land and stated that the TCP board has decided to expand the Old Goa buffer zone from 100 meters to 200 meters.
Discipline without SS Nastana, without inspection, without knowing this is a heritage zone, following Nastana, take a license. Dila.
If we are going to allow this kind of construction in this heritage area, a UNESCO heritage tag will go. If we are going to allow this kind of construction in this heritage area, a UNESCO heritage tag will go because it doesn't encourage constructions in area close to the heritage area. So we are fighting for this, that such irresponsible permissions given by the TCP should never have been allowed by the TCP. First of all, there is no access, which they have not taken, and the plan they are showing access, which is not there. The wall that we had shown you all down, it was broken by JCP 1 year back. And when it was brought to the notice of public and the parties and the panchayat, the opposition party had said, whom we are talking about, they had promised to build a wall, but it is not built. It is a few days back when we came and we saw the activities going inside, we said this is not proper because today they might show some activity. Tomorrow they will say we need access. Today you all have seen a big tank inside, Syntax tanks. Tomorrow they'll say I want water. Then after they'll say I want electricity. And that is how the slow process, our heritage is being killed and our properties have been destroyed.
There are many other places where you all can have your farmhouses. Why this place? Especially for Catholics, this is a place of sanctity. We don't want it to be destroyed. We are, every Gram Sabha we are shouting that we don't want the farmhouses, we don't want the farmhouses. And our so-called punches and sarpanches are giving us false promises saying, no, we will see that it is not happening. But then why again and again the same topic is coming up? What is the reason behind it? Who has got the utmost, some prestige in this place? What are you all out to do? This is not, we have not constructed these are, our forefathers have done it. So why are we spoiling it? Why are we wasting it? You can see this scenery over here. Is it because of that? And why? From people from Rajasthan and Delhi. Why over here? Go to else. There are so many other places. Go elsewhere. You all want a silent and peaceful farm to have a farmhouse. There are many other villages that I'm not talking about Goa. Outside, go outside. Why Goa? Why all out to spoil this?
Delhi people,
Beautiful.
Delhi people, Delhi.
Yeah, Delhi people go to Delhi, no?
Delhi.
आमचे गोंयकारांक आमकां सांबाळून दी. दुसरे लोक हिंगा येवन सांबाळपाचे ना. If we don't come out, Goa is a small place, a very tiny state. Just a dot, yes, just a dot. So why are we out to destroy it?
पण माझे एकूच हे आसा उलो आसा की आमची ओल्ड गोवाची डिनरी आसा म्हयन्यान एक आयतार एक वातावरण जर हिंगासर मिस केले जाल्यार ही उगडटली ही उगडी उत्तिली आनी आमी त्या कमिटीच्या प्रेसिडेंटाक फादर आल्फ्रेडाकूय उलो मारता ह्या माध्यमांतल्यान की फादर आल्फ्रेडान ह्या आमचे इलेशे मागणे ऐकून घेवचे म्हणून आनी ही सदांच जिवाळ दवरची म्हणून ही कपेल इगोज कितें ज्या कंडिशनान आसा पळय तें आमचो पादविकार ओल्ड गोवाचो पादविकार जावन आसा डीन ऑफ द ओल्ड गोवा डिनरी ऑफ दीस डिनरी. So I request him also to put some action, to put something so that this church is remaining open very often.
त्याला एक बायट आयकलो सरपंचाचो ओल्ड गोवा सरपंचाचो ती सांगता की ताका कांयच इन्फॉर्मेशन येवंक ना आनी तेणी कांयच परमिशन दिवंक ना. बरी खबर हांव दिवंक ना घेवंक ना म्हणल्यार बरी खबर. बट एज पर माय नॉलेज डिसिप्लिन तो रिप्रुवल दिला जाल्यार ते फार्म हावस वुडन तर जाय म्हाका दिसता पंचायतीचो रोल कांय असो ना. द फायल वील मूव टू द हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट कित्याक ते सॅनिटरी आसता म्हणजे ते हेल्थाक वयता फायल मे बी पंचायत बायपास जाली आसतली बायपास करची पडटा बिकॉज ऑफ द वुडन तर न्हू जाल्यार पंचायती फायल येवपाकूच जाय आसपादलो लोकांचो सगळो डिमांड आसा ती फायल रिजेक्ट करची म्हणून.
3 फार्म हावसां येता म्हण हे पळय हे वाटेन ती आनी तुमी फाटल्यान पळया कितल्या सुमार व्हडलें दुरीग आसा 2 मीटर हायटीचें आनी तेणी तें मोडून एस घेयला आनी TCPक प्लॅन पास करून गेला एस आपलो आहा म्हूण आनी तुमकां पळयल्यार गमता थिंगासर दुरीग मोडलेलें आहा आनी 15 दीस जाले तो हिंगा काम करता आनी जें पळय TCPन लायसन्सां दिल्या ती 2027 पर्यंत वॅलीड आहा. जायते जाण म्हणटा ती कॅन्सील जाली आनी कितें म्हूण पूण टील आमचे लागीं RTI आहा 2027 पर्यंत ती लायसन्सां वॅलीड आहा. आनी TCPन विदाउट एस नासतना विदाउट इन्स्पेक्शन विदाउट नोईंग दीस इज अ हेरिटेज झोन ऑफ द स्टेट कपेल आहा तेणी हें कांयच पळय नासतना ताका लायसन्स दिला. हेजेर हे सगळ्या लोकांचें आनी आमचें ऑब्जेक्शन आहा.